official ordination of the richest man in Delta State. I tell you before say I'm a titled man, but many of them say na play they play. You know understand? Before the ordination, I was shown now. Because there must be a festival before the ordination. I was shown at the Uwheru Ade Wrestling Festival. We call them the gathering of warriors. You know understand? See how me did there. More than 10,000 people gather to witness this great event in the history of Urobo land. Now more than 10,000 people, because you see those canopy for there, those set of canopies see the other side. You know understand? Introduction of warriors when they enter the arena. You see all those guys when they come now. This guy go wait to please. You see that guy? You see what that guy do? So get with him and I go play that video for you again. Make you hear what that guy talk as he jump. He can't talk that thing. He get what that thing mean. Wait, I go plan for you again. Wait. Now play. Just wait. He say, Omurumabo, he say, that's in a very powerful spiritual chanting. It means say, no man born of a woman. If you like, bid your drop polo for your side. We not really send you for this side. You know understand? You see, see, yeah, wait, see, oh yeah, yes, you see, I'm not be now warrior from the land of fighters, not be say, when they say this person, where they bomb me, we not the fear to fight. Fight for life. Fight to defend your integrity. Yes, we're not the fear. Okay, see what that boy. Okay, you see that hand where they throw like where you wave like this. So as he fall on, they let you they know say not really send anybody. He not really send you like that. Nobody, not minus anybody come out. Now boasting, you know, and not minus anybody come out. This guy na 2-time champion, O'Shea, 2-time champion. As he did the last one, we see as they come, everybody they avoid them because that powder where they spray for a body. So if you mistakenly touch on that person, the person if collapse. But now only you get the power to withstand them. And as he did like that, so because he's a 2-time champion, you get the right to marry more than 7 wives for free. You see all these drum where they beat, so all these drum during festival they beat them now, drum of joy, drum of togetherness. But say you offend or you try one claim land will not belongs to you for this community, they call drum this drum for you. You don't know say now war be that. People, anybody that born from this place is a warrior and a hero. They're not the fear to fight. You see men, warriors, see they come the arena. You see all these guys where they work so now spiritual something. Maybe they say why children call food back like that? From my community here, I'm from Urobo land. Children they more than adults because with a born a man here is entitled to born as plenty children as you want. You know that. So you see you see the resilience with these people, but these fighters, these warriors, these are heroes. As strong, not be say you join Koto. Now let's say for instance, now say we are come from so this place will come from so we not they respect people based on how much money will you get. Everybody wait for people there this way will be say if you declare 1 billion. You see the way that they carry that guy, they go up and now warrior, don't defeat person. And why you see everybody they carry and they go up, they celebrate them. We celebrate people here based on your contribution to the development and the growth of this place. Not because you get 1 billion. If you like get 1 billion for your account, nobody really send you for this place. Because we get people for this gatherings, people will be saying if you will be 5 billion from CBN come. But they not really send you for you like that. What is your contribution to the growth and development of this place? Now what people care about for you be that. You know understand? So I come from that type of place where we say we don't respect people based now Sammy be that, one of the leaders of the youth in the community and Urobo land in general. You know that these are warriors. You see me, richest man in the state. You see these are the city president of the Uwheru community there. Some of the UDU leaders where they announce before the main event they come. They see when people come my hotel after the event, they just come say, "Gege, you now see one of the people where they contribute to the development and the growth of this place." See the youth, they come honor the richest man in the state too. He say you don't still try. What would they tell you say richest man? Not be say as I dey like this in my mind, nobody get money past me. Because at the end of the day, if you get your money in your pocket today, the one where you get you your pocket in my pocket today, so you expect me to respect for what in your pocket. You know they happen for where we dey. You see the joy. My fair pause the video, me hear what they sing first. See what they sing so. It's even with your juju, even with what you feel say you be. This one a garden of warriors, not be say. He say if you like with your juju, carry a call, we go defeat your juju where you get. You know understand? You see children. I tell you for Delta State, I'm valued more than crude oil. Many of them have these things and carry talk. Real love, not be money, a love of money. No, we people. You stubborn, not be you sabi fight. And they lift weight, me walk babo. Who say babo? Oh, you see when they come up from my hotel now. You see when we see the me walk babo. Not be say you join court to if you hear say people they attack your mother, your people for inside bush. You feel enter bush, go fight those intruders. Now what will they talk? So not me say you join court with the boss people. No, we stubborn finish. We they fight finish. Say normally now, okay, now you won't claim what not belongs to you. Now, okay, now you disturb the peace of the people. Make we enter the bush come meet you. You go no see. Now type of fight now with the fight. Fight with the bring glory to a generation of people. Now with the fight. Me walk babo. Home. I'm This is the biggest gathering in the history of Roboland, and thank God. A gathering of oneness, and anybody who come from this place, is a fighter, is a warrior, and at this mentality we take the face life. No matter what you see the environment, see the way everybody everywhere they but we still get the mentality of a fighter in the every aspect of life. Not be say we not the kind they fight, we fight for a good purpose. You know, understand? So in my next edition, you go see the ordination of the richest man in Delta City, the official crowning, where they go crown me, or give me the throne, say take. Lead with full authority. For this place when I come from, we dey derive joy from little things. We see everybody now, both children, young girls, young boys, old people, they are very, very happy. We see those young girls too, they are very, very happy. Just by say, everybody gather together. Not really say anything, we say everybody gather together. That's the mindset of a warrior. Just by see your brother, they do well, they happy, they get joy. You say, people go stop us or they drop money. Now tradition be that. They drop money. As we reach every quarter, like people go they stop us, they drop money. That's the gathering, that's the hair. You see, Anna, joy. They give you the powder, that's the rubber for your body. That's more life added to your years. You know that's you know that's no festival in the history of Nigeria, in the history of Africa. Sweet pass Uwheru Ade Wrestling Festival. I'm abomere na bugwelu yo ina ya amrot yo ye kaka wuwu